got that heat, let's go.
Hey, what's up people, it's vdoestech. Today we got the Naenka Lite Pros. Now real quick, these were sent over for my honest review, so I have been using them for the last week. That way I can give some real feedback. And spoiler alert, I like these. Now a little something about me, stem style earbuds are not my favorite, but if they sound good and they're comfortable, well, we can talk. But yo, starting with the case, it's smooth, lightweight with a glossy finish, almost pebble-ish. It's available in two colors, black and white. It has Type-C on the bottom with the light indicator on the front. The lights displayed will tell you about your case battery. Now I wish they had just done notches or tiny squares instead, but it is what it is. The buds are super lightweight, weighing only 3.8 grams each, with 13mm drivers, which makes these sound really good for open back earbuds. Now you're not getting ANC or any type of app, but they do have quick pairing. Open the case, they pop right up. Fast charge, you can have the case completely charged in 2 hours. And not to mention the latest Qualcomm chip with Bluetooth 5.2. Now, I know there's a lot of buds that's not even at Bluetooth 5.0 yet, so they're ahead of the game. And that also means there's a strong connection and low latency. To add to the low latency, they even have a game mode. Tap it 3 times and you'll hear a voice say, "Go, go, go." And when you're done, triple tap again and you'll hear, "Roger that." Yo, I should have done voiceovers. Now, I haven't had any issues consuming media like Netflix, YouTube, or Crunchyroll. Battery life has been great for me. Haven't killed them in a single day yet. You're supposed to be able to get 7 hours on the buds and another 28 hours on the case. They get me through a full day's of work with the battery being at around 30% at the end of the day. Now, I use mine with my volume ranging anywhere from 40 to 70%. For most people, they will get plenty loud. These are really good for if you need to hear what's going on around you. Now, my ears love these when it comes down to comfort. I can wear these the whole day easy. The only other earbuds I've been able to do that with are the Buds Live. I really enjoy not having to constantly adjust them and end up triggering a touch control. Speaking of the controls, they do work and register just fine 9 times out of 10. But there is a second or two delay, just long enough for you to think it didn't register. When taking calls, I haven't had any issues on either side. Here's a mic test. All right, so here's the Naenka Lite Pros. Here's the outside call quality you can expect to get from these. How do they sound? Do they sound good? Do they sound bad? Is it blocking out some of the noise, or is it picking everything up? Moving on. And finally, here's the Naenka Lite Pros in a quiet environment. Overall, these are a solid pair of earbuds if you like the AirPods-like style without the AirPods-like price. Check the description below for current prices and tell me what you think in the comments below. It's vdoestech. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.